To tie fisherman's knot, we are using a short piece of sling. This can be used to join two pieces of ropes or to close loop, to have a closed loop of your sling or a big rope. First step, we'll bring both the ropes parallel. So we'll just hold it this way, and then what helps me is I just bring my finger, index finger, parallel to these two, and I take the end, wrap around my finger and the other end the way I would do it to tie in overhand. So I would wrap around one more time with this cross, pull it tight a little bit, take my finger out, and this is how I want the end to be passed and going out this way. So this is one end. For the second one, we'll switch this. Again, same step, bringing my finger parallel to this, making one twist, one loop, second loop with a cross, and passing the end through this and giving it a shape. How to check this knot? If you were to pull these two ends away from each other, the gap between these two will increase and twin ropes will run through. And if you were to pull this end, the knots will come close and get tightened. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 strands, and at the back of the knot they both are sitting well like a groove. Once we have our fisherman in, we can move on to our next step of tying Prusik hitch on a rope. Keep in mind that the diameter of the Prusik cord needs to be 80%, 70 to 80% of the diameter of main rope. Few things to keep in mind. We want this knot to be side somewhere close to the center, so when we are tying our hitch, it does not get stuck in the main hitch. Second step, bring this big bight behind the main rope, and then we can use this end, the one which has the knot, pass this through the first bight that we created with 1, 2, and 3 loops. Minimum of 3 is what you would need. Once we have this, we can pull the rest of the rope and dress the knot. In order to dress the knot, we can start from one end and keep making it tight. You will see that the bar has become loose, and we can feed that out through here. We have knot outside. The way to check this is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 donuts and a bar going on top, which some people call it 6 donuts and a banana. And if we move this up, it goes up easy. We put some weight and it just takes some weight. Do not use this knot with your hand on top, as it can just slip down.